Your accent is not the problem. Your pronunciation is. If your English is correct but still does not sound right, then this video is for you. Hello people out there, I'm Dasha Yadav. Welcome to day 8 of our Zero to Fluent English series. And today's topic is pronunciation and accent. So let's start. So today we are not talking about grammar rules. We are talking about how your English sounds, because it's not only about what you say. It's about how clearly you say it. Okay, first let me clear one big misunderstanding. Your accent is not the problem. Your unclear pronunciation is. You don't need an American accent. You don't need a British accent. You only need a clear and understandable pronunciation. Like, think about this word, water. One person says water. Another says water. Another says water. Same word, different accent, still understandable what we are trying to say. So the goal is not copying accent. The goal is clarity. Now, what is pronunciation? So pronunciation means how you produce sound, how your mouth, tongue, lips moves, how a word reaches the listener's brain. Because pronunciation is physically, not theoretically. That's why you can understand English, but still you don't speak clearly. Because your mouth was trained in your regional language, not English. Now, why beginners struggle with pronunciation? So first is English is not spoken the way it's written. Beginner read the word like Hindi, letter by letter. But English doesn't work like that. Like for example, knife. Now knife spelling K is silent. So English has so many words where some letters are silent. Second is mother tongue influence, like Hindi or any regional language are flat, and that's okay. But English is musical. English has a stress and flow, and beginners speak English with Hindi or regional rhythm, and that's why it sounds unnatural and unfamiliar. Okay. Now, the three most important pronunciation skill. First is word stress. English, every English word has one strong syllable. Like English has so many words where same spelling, different stress and different meaning. So we have to learn word stress to improve our pronunciation. Second is sentence stress. Native are not focused on every words. They are focusing on main words like noun and verb while speaking. They are ignoring small words like is, am, are, the, in. For example, I am going to the market. Now, in the correct way, I'm going to the market. So I'm focusing on main words like going and market. Now, third point is connect speech. Native speaker not speak word by word. They connect sound. Like beginner think they are speak so fast, but the truth is they speak smoothly, not fast. I hope you understand it. Now, in last you ask what is accent. So let's be very honest. Accent is not about sounding foreigners or not about copying Netflix actor. Accent is about rhythm, stress, and confidence. Because even native speaker speak different accent. So why we have to copy them? Yeah, that's it. Now, how you have to work on your pronunciation. So for that, I have some practical tips. So for you, practical beginner strategy is first you have to listen more than you watch or you speak. But listen actively, not just watch the video. You have to listen carefully how their words produce, how the movement of their mouth, lips, tongue, and when they take pauses. For that, one best technique is shadowing technique. I always tell about this. So if you don't know about it and you want to know in detail, so you can check my shadowing playlist. I have very depth clarity what is shadowing and what is speech method. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like this, and if you like, so please like my video, comment on it, and share with your friends. And yeah, bye bye, radhe radhe.